Rod, we're here on the south coast. Tell me about Allied Tooling.
Well, Allied Tooling is one of the largest regrinding and manufacturing companies for what we do in the country. We're split into really three areas, which is engineering, woodworking and bandsaws. And I think we're probably one of the largest for all the sections. We recently spent a lot of money. We probably spent about £1.2 million on new equipment in Volmer and Anchor machines, and also the Haimer machines. We bought 3 different machines for Haimer so we can develop our products to go forward.
What are those 3 products?
The 3 products are the balancing machine, which is very, very important to us. The pre-setting machine here, which we use for pre-setting on the spark eroding machines, and also the heat shrink machine where we heat shrink on customers' tools in and out of their Haimer holders.
Allied went for the Uno 20-70 presetter. You know, there's a few players in that market, so why Haimer?
Well, I researched the whole market and we looked at every conceivable presetter on the market, and this one really suited our needs outright. It was simple to use, the software is very user-friendly.
And you went for the extra travel as well?
Yeah, because we have some long tools, we decided to go to the 700 height. That then leaves the door completely open for future. Because we're a service company, we don't know what's going to come in the door, so we decided to go for an extra height for the future. But yeah, it's simple to use, and we've got a couple of people using it, and they've been trained up, and it's taken them very little time to learn how to use it. Now we use this fundamentally with the 2 Volmer spark eroding machines. We have to preset the tools to specific heights and then put all the information from here into the CNC machine so we can run them 24 hours lights out without any intervention in that.
And this helps you remain competitive?
Absolutely, because we can set it all up before, we can run the machine 24 hours. We can load up on the loading station and then push the button and go, and hopefully at the end of the day we've got a whole range of tools finished spark eroded.
And I know the heat shrink unit, it's give you big advantages as well.
Absolutely, because now we offer a service for heat shrinking tools into customers' holders, and what we do is we regrind or relap the tools in the holders so they're perfectly concentric, and we offer this service to anybody who wants heat shrinking or in and out of the holders.
Do you think that's made a big difference to your customer base?
Absolutely, he's given us an area where we never had before, and we can provide a complete service on that refurbished tool.
And balancing your tools, how important is that to Allied and again, your client base?
Very, very important. We found over the last year how important that is, and everything we do now on the Volmer machines has to be balanced within 2.5 G. It's essential because some of the machines that run these tools are running up to 24,000 revs per minute, and if you have a tool that's not balanced, it won't be long before the spindle is out of sync.
And we spoke off camera, you talked about you've purchased some tool holders from companies that claim the balance, but of course when you put them on the balancer, they're quite obviously not.
I was staggered at how bad some of these tool holders are. People advertise tool holders to 2.5 G, and there are 1 or 2 companies that are okay, but they're amazing how many companies the tool holders are completely way out. I ordered a new tool holder from a company, put it on a balancing machine, expecting 2.5 G, and it came out at 48 G, which was tremendously out of balance. Now, if anybody puts that on a machine with a tool in, they won't realise how badly the spindle will be affected by that.
So Allied Tooling, you've invested £1.2 million of late with various companies. Haimer have helped you on your journey.
Absolutely. Without the Haimer machines, we couldn't have actually gone down that road because they're so important. And I think the balancing machine is fundamental to what we're doing. That really gives us an edge, excuse the pun.